Hello, first responders. It's Johanna with Holiday Planet. This group is actually not only for our first responders, this is for everyone in our River Cruise enthusiast group, and specifically for those of you going on our 80th anniversary Beaches of Normandy River Cruise from Paris to Normandy in June. This video announcement is about final payments and insurance, just so that we can be ready for our River Cruise final payment deadline this month on March 27th. So first, let's talk about insurance. A lot of you, hi Mick, have purchased your insurance already because you know that these payments on this special group cruise are non-refundable. So it is good to be thinking about insurance in terms of cancellation. If you have to cover for a canceled reason, you could get a 100% refund from the insurance company. And it may be, based on the circumstances of the cancellation, that would be the only way to get a refund if we cannot find someone else to take your spot in the group. So I'm glad you're thinking about that in terms of cancellation. I think that's why a lot of you have the insurance already. But I also want you to remember that this is your insurance for while you're traveling. If you have a missed connection and get stuck somewhere overnight, if your trip is interrupted or delayed, for example, if in the middle of the trip you have to fly home because there's been a death in the family, if you have baggage loss or baggage delay, or if you have sickness or injury during the trip, remember that although there's free medical in Europe, it's not free for us, and they won't take your health insurance. So only travel insurance can cover that in most cases. And I hope you'll consider the insurance very carefully so that you'll be covered the best way we have the ability to cover you during travel. Anyone who has not purchased their insurance yet is going to get an email from Irene called Client Tasks. Those should come out in about a week, around March 13th. So when you see that Client Tasks email, please complete those tasks to either accept or decline the insurance. If you've been making your cruise payments by credit card, there will also be a task in there to authorize your final cruise payment and the date that you would like it run. Otherwise, this final river cruise payment is also payable by Zelle or check, because the credit card option does have a 3.5% fee. Not for the insurance policy. The insurance policy you pay by credit card for no extra fee. But just the river cruise portion itself would carry that extra fee by credit card, so you can pay by check or Zelle for no extra fees. If you're mailing a check, please send that early, like soon here this next week, because the checks are taking a really long time to arrive. And if you're paying by Zelle, you can send that anytime between now and the 27th. But you might want to reach out and let us know your plans, because then we won't bug you. And we don't mean to bug you, but we're just trying to make sure that everyone has a plan for this final payment, and we're not missing anyone who isn't getting the emails and has no idea that these payments are even coming up. That's what we're trying to avoid. So we will be reaching out if we haven't heard from you. Hi, Dave. Finally, I don't even know what else. It's good to see you, Dave. I guess I've completely lost my train of thought. That doesn't happen to me very often on these videos. But certainly for your final payments, give us a call or an email if you have any questions. Only the river cruise portion is due on March 27th. That's what I was going to say. If you have other elements on your trips to still be paid, for example, flight and hotel packages, tours, extra hotel nights, etc., those can be paid by April 24th, and all of those payments will be by credit card with no extra fee. So if you need a breakdown of what's due when and you're not sure which payments should be paid by which method, reach out to us and Irene will send you a very clear, detailed breakdown. Now I think that's it, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.